So guys, if you have ever failed in your life, then this video is just for you. Because today in this video, I'm going to share with you the powerful military tactic which you can use in learning from your failures and mistakes. So नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है शशांक, आइए सीखते हैं. So guys, I am sure that you might have heard this sentence multiple times in your life from the different influencers and the different motivational speakers, that you should learn from your failures, that you should take lessons from your mistakes and failures, and so on. But I'm sure that nobody would have ever told you or would have given you the exact step-by-step guide or a roadmap to follow to learn from your failures and mistakes. So that's why I have decided to share with you my 5 years of learnings and experiences in the field of crisis management and the brand protection, where we have handled multiple incidents and the accidents and the events. So after every incident, we need to write a LFI report, which is known as the Learning from Incident Report, in which we need to find out all those root cause, all those lacunas and shortcomings which led to a specific incident. And this LFI report has actually been derived from the military report, which is known as the AAR, After Action Report, in which after every operation, whether it's a successful or a failed operation, every army officer has to write after action report, in which they explain everything from the planning to the execution. And these are the powerful tools which helps you to analyze your course of action, your planning, your execution, and the steps you took in the execution of your plan or your operation. So that's why I have decided to blend these two reports and to create a new one, which is known as the LFF, Learning from Failures, which you can use in your life to learn from your failures and from your mistakes. So to understand this format, I would like to take an example of a student who has failed in his exams, and he need to find a reason so that he can clear those exams in the next attempt. So the format starts with the heading, which is known as the type of failure, in which you have to define in a single line what kind of failure you have faced. If you have failed in your examination, then you can write failed in a science exam. Right? If you have failed in a competition, write down I failed in a race competition, I failed in a dance competition, whatever the reasons, whatever the failures, you have to define in a single line. And then comes the brief, in which you have to define your failure or the activity in which you failed in a brief manner. For example, I failed in a science examination which was held on so and so date, in so and so location, in so and so time. So this is a brief incident, brief activity. Or I failed in a race event which was held in so and so location, in so and so date, and because of so and so reason, right? And next is the immediate cause, in which you have to identify the immediate reasons which led to the failure. For example, if you failed in a science examination, then you need to recall that why did you fail on immediate basis. For example, you could not finish your exam in time. You could not recall the important topics which you just covered before an examination, or you didn't prepare some important topics which appear in the examination question paper. So these were the immediate causes which you find during the exam. So these are the immediate causes, right? So if you failed in a race event, then you can write down your immediate causes, like you didn't warm up well before the race, or you didn't analyze the course or the track before the race event. So these are the immediate causes, right? And then next come the root cause. What were the actual root cause which led to that immediate cause? For example, if you failed in a science examination due to you could not finish your exam in time, which means the root cause was your writing speed is very slow, right? This is your root cause. If you failed in a science examination because you could not recall the important topics which you covered before examination, and the root cause could be because you did not revise your important topics multiple times. And if you failed because you did not cover the important topics, this is because you did not plan your studies well in time. So these are the root causes, right? And then next comes the action. right? When you find out your immediate and root causes, then comes the action which you have to take in the future to overcome these immediate causes and the root causes. For example, if your root cause was that your writing speed is slow, then you need to take an action to increase your writing speed. And then next comes, if you did not revise your important topics multiple times, then your course of action should be to find a plenty of time to revise your important topics so that you could not forget all those topics during examination. Or if you failed because you did not plan your studies well, then your course of action could be to make a plan well in advance so that you can complete and finish all the important topics of the examination. So these 4 simple steps will help you to learn from your mistakes and from your failures. And if you want a soft copy of this format, you can download it from the link which is mentioned in my bio, or you can DM me directly. So that's all from my side. And if you have any question, any query regarding how to use this format and what are those scenarios which can fit in that format, you can always DM me or you can WhatsApp me. The number is mentioned in the description or in the video itself. So thank you very much guys for listening to me. Stay healthy, keep learning and stay tuned from upcoming videos. Thank you very much.